Hey guys, let us continue with the Inside Current Affairs for prelims, that is Insta PT30. So we are doing with the history part, and let's begin with the modern history. So the first news is about Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Recently his 150th birth anniversary was celebrated. So we'll look about him. His center has conducted spiritual programs from August 12 to 15 across 75 prisons, marking his birth anniversary. So we all know there is a famous ashram, Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry. It was established in the year 1926 and he helped to establish this Anushilan Samiti at Calcutta in 1902. And with his brother Barin Ghosh, he wrote many articles in the Jugantar magazine, and he himself started a magazine called Arya in 1914, and he also wrote a famous poem named Shavitri. It has 24,000 lines, and he also developed the integral yoga and also the theory of nationalism. So his theory of nationalism for India, it's based on the Vedanta philosophy. And the next news is about the Akkama Cheriyan. Who is she? She is a freedom fighter from Kerala, and she participated in a mass protest rally in 1938 against the British. Seeing her boldness, Gandhiji called her as the Jhansi Ki Rani, that is Queen of Travancore. And the next news is about the Pandurang Kankejri. I don't know how to pronounce this particular thing. Okay, so this particular person's statue has been recently unveiled by our speaker in Mexico. So who is he? He is a freedom fighter, and he is also a agriculturalist from Maharashtra, and he is also one of the founding member of Gadar party. Now why his statue being kept in Mexico? Because he worked as a professor at a Mexican college, National School of Agriculture. So he worked there, that is why. So yeah, that's all in modern history. Now we'll discuss some of the news related to geography topic. So rat hole coal mining was recently in news because of the mishap happened at Meghalaya coal mine, where this particular rat hole coal mining is there. It is in the Shallang area of West Khasi Hill, and this is a dangerous technique because they will be digging a narrow vertical tunnel into the earth to extract coal, and this is dangerous. National Green Tribunal, it has banned it in 2014, but the Supreme Court in 2019 it issued a guideline that if the rules are being properly followed, then it is allowed to do that mining. And the next news is about the cloud burst. So what is this cloud burst? We have witnessed cloud burst in many places recently. So nearly 20 people have been killed because of this cloud burst, and also flash flood in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So what is this? This is basically the localized by intense rainfall, and the rainfall range will be 10 centimeter or more in 1 hour in a 10 into 10 area kilometer, which is cloud burst. Now the next news is about the geothermal power. So ONGC drilling first well at Puga. Puga is in Ladakh. So this is to generate the electricity using geothermal power, and this is being done to reduce our dependence on diesel based electricity. So geothermal, it is like extracting heat energy from the earth's surface. So Puga, what is the speciality about Puga in Ladakh? It is a hot spring area. And what are the top 5 countries in the world for geothermal process? It's US, Philippines, Indonesia, Mexico and New Zealand. And what are the places in news recently? So first one is the Hastio Aranya. So coal mining project have been approved here. So the people were protesting in this particular area, Hastio Aranya region. This is located in the Chandigarh and it's called as Chhattisgarh. It is called as the Langs of Chhattisgarh. This Hasdeo river flows through this particular region. It is a tributary of Mahanadi. And the next news is about IMD. So IMD, it was established in 1875 and its headquarters is in Pune. And IMD comes under the Ministry of Earth Science. And the next news is about Kutchal Island. So NASA recently said that there is a loss of 90% mangrove cover on this particular Kutchal Island. Why 90% loss is due to the tsunami. This Kutchal Island is in the Nicobar archipelago. And the last news for today is about the Armenia and Azerbaijan conflict. So there is a conflict between these two nations over this place, Nagorno and Karabakh, which have been going on since histories. So basically the place has Armenian inhabitants, but it is located within the Azerbaijan border. That is why there is a clash going on still. So that's all for today. Thank you.